Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix microphone not working in Claude AI. First fix, which worked for me, is basically unplugging and replugging your microphone if you have external one or your headset, or you can also try to plug it in different maybe USB port. So that's the first fix, just try to unplug it and plug it again. Now the second fix is you want to make sure correct microphone is selected in your Claude. So if you hover your mouse on this microphone icon, then click on this drop down, you will see your microphones which you have, and you can try to switch in between them. You should also see this bar which is telling you your microphone is working because you see it's moving. If you don't see this, you want to allow permission to access your microphone. So if you are on Edge browser, you will click on this site information icon, and here you want to make sure microphone is enabled. It should be same for Chrome. You just want to click on this site information icon, then site settings, and here you want to allow access to your microphone. So you can click on allow, then you can go back and you want to reload your website, and now you can try it if it working. So you can see in my case my mic is working. If you have installed Claude AI on your desktop, we want to allow permissions in the settings of our Windows. So you want to go to search bar and search for privacy and security, open it. Here you want to scroll to app permissions, click on microphone. Now just find Claude AI app and you want to make sure the permission is enabled. I don't have Claude installed on my device, but you will find it right in the apps. Next fix I'm going to show you is updating your mic drivers. So if it's still not detecting your mic, your drivers might be outdated. So we want to go to this search bar again and type device manager. Open your device manager. Here just look for audio inputs and outputs. Open this drop down. You can see I have this Yeti Classic. I can double click on this, then go to driver. And here you're gonna see if your drivers are outdated. So you can see I can update my driver because it's not the latest one. So I will click on it. I can search automatically for the drivers, search for updated drivers. And now you can see we have ready update, which we can download and install. So I will click on download and install. And now I just want to wait for this till it's finished, and you can try to restore your computer. And this can be also fix of your issue mic is not working in Claude. And that's going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.